Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Michael with Elite Custom Golf Carts. So we've been starting to sell more Epic and Icon parts and accessories on our online store. Today we're going to show you an interior storage basket for the Epic and Icon models. We're going to show you what it looks like and we're going to show you how to put it on. All right, so inside the box you're going to get this basket, which is going to go inside the windshield like this. And then you're going to get two brackets, so one bracket for each side of the basket. And then you're going to get a bag of hardware. And then as far as tools go, just a drill with a Phillips head. Then we got a 5/16 hex bit because these screws right here have hex heads on them, so you're going to need that for those screws. And then we got a 10mm wrench, one to get the windshield bolt on and then two to put these bolts on right here. All right, so this cart has an aftermarket windshield on it, but if yours has the DOT windshield, it's pretty much going to be exactly the same thing. We are going to take this nut off of this right here, just like that. And then we are going to put this on right there, and then we're going to put our nut right back on. Just like that. Inside your bag of hardware, you're going to have these two tap screws. So the bottom hole here is going to be for the original bolt that goes through the windshield. This top hole, you're going to put one of these tap screws into this top hole right here. All right, and then we're just going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. So we're going to take this loose right here. And we're going to put our brackets right there. Okay, and we're going to get our tap screw. All right, and then the next step, we're going to grab our basket, and then we're going to grab the rest of our hardware, which is going to be 4 bolts, so 2 bolts for each side. All right, so grab a bolt, put a washer on, and then we're going to hold this up right here. That is very tight. Okay, there we go. And then just preference for me, because when I put something inside here, I don't want it hitting the nut. We're gonna put a washer and a lock washer on right here. And then we're gonna put our cap nut on right there. All right, so we are just gonna tighten these guys down. Washer, lock washer, cap nut. And we're gonna do the other side. All right, so that's pretty much it. We have this interior storage basket on here, so now you can throw your phone up here. So instead of just having the cup holders, you have stuff to put other things up in the front of the golf cart. All right, so we're doing more parts and accessories with the Epics and Icons, so if you want to see more of our videos, make sure you give us a follow. If you want one of these inside storage baskets, the link is in the description below.